let's look how Romance and Violetta will dance Samba gold level routine with the count 1 at 2, 3 at 4, 5 at 6, 7 at 8, 1 at 2 at 3 at 4, 5 at 6, 7 at 8, 1 at 2 at 3 at 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 at 2, 3 at 4, 5 at 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 at 7 at 8. Very good, let's look once again, this time from opposite angle. And 1 at 2, 3 at 4, 5 at 6, 7 at 8, 1 at 2 at 3 at 4, 5 at 6, 7 at 8, 1 at 2 at 3 at 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8, 1 at 2, 3 at 4, 5 at 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6 at 7 at 8. Very good, and now let's look at the same choreography, but this time in slow motion. Now we start with Contra Botafogos. Then we dance foot change, lady dances solo Volta turn, and then stationary Samba walk continued by crisscross Volta to right, then 2 stationary Samba walks, and then we continue with crisscross Volta, but this time to left. We dance now Samba Chasse to side. From here we dance traveling Botafogos forward, 3 bars, and then with outside step we begin to dance Promenade to counter Promenade run. After that we dance dropped Volta and traveling Voltas ending. Very good. Let's look once again, this time from opposite direction. So we start from Contra position with same foot. We dance 2 Contra Botafogos. Now foot change. And stationary Samba walk, continued by crisscross Volta to right, 2 stationary Samba walks, and crisscross Volta to left, continued by side Samba Chasse, and traveling Botafogos forward, then we dance Promenade to counter Promenade runs, dropped Volta and traveling Voltas ending. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.